IFP enye into angifuni ukuthi bengiyikhuluma imise izoba distracted njengoba beza ucampaign okhethweni ngithi mina nikwazi ukucampaign kanje because you people who lied, we got proof, we got this, we got this, we got this. Ngisazozikhanselisha nami ukuthi ngiyilethe yini kwi-channel, ngiyikhulume yini kwi-channel ngalento abayenza bethi amanzi wakhokhela kanje ungakhokhela kanje. Ngisayidayishisa but inkatha, believe you me, umsebenzi wayo wenza ngiyawuthanda kakhulu. I don't see myself using this channel in order to destroy them. Nginabantu abasebuholweni ophezulu benkatha esinobudlelwano obuhle kakhulu nabo abazothi ukuthi kodwa bakudokotela ubungeke wenze ngenye indlela kunokuthi usilambaste i-channel yakho ibe nabantu abangaka. What is the meaning of that? Mase siya kuma-election abantu they always play your videos ukuthi nenzani emkhandlweni wenkatha lapha eThekwini. Ngisafuna ukuthi ngiqale ngiyidigest ukuthi what is the meaning of that. Banayo inamba yami, they call always bang WhatsApp, then si dissolve, supposed to dissolve. Kodwa nje angifuni ukuyikhuluma kwi-channel ngoba njengoba ngithi inkatha ngine soft spot na very soft spot, nobuholi bakhona ikakhulukazi usoka lesomnyamane ingane zakhe ngesikhathi sobhubhano lelo khona ezinye zazilanda treatment kumina, abanye babefika bengibona ngeyinto boardroom nomnyamane, and then if I use this channel to destroy abantu abafana nalabayana, but lento enziwa la kumasipala le kuthiwa yamanzi ngoba sine proof different ukuthi hayi kuzofika 10 sikhulume masisikhathi right, this is babu Dode ya engisho ukuthi a good dog lena yangempela injenza umsebenzi wayo imisine ethamba emlomeni. Sinamakhansela namhlanje namathambo emlomeni awasakhongothi, sinamaphoyisa namhlanje namathambo emlomeni awasakhongothi. Ziningi izinto othumese sezenzekile ithambo selisemlomeni ingane yakhe ayisakwazi ukuthola NSFAS because sekunethambo elisemlomeni sekufaka abantu abarongwa NSFAS. Laba kufuze ukuthi balegit bangena ngempela bangama offender bangena lutho abakwazi ukungena ithambo selisemlomeni. This is Babu Dode, this is what you're. Yazi kunabantu abanga understand ukuthi ungalala embedeni wakho omuhle obizayo. I repeat, kunabantu abanga understand ukuthi ungalala embedeni wakho omuhle obizayo, but kunesikhathi la kufuna ukuthi uguquke khona. I repeat, kunesikhathi la ekufuza ukuthi umulele embedeni ubuye uphenduke phela ulale ngolunye uhlangothi. Kunesikhathi la ofuna ubuye uphenduke ulale ngolunye uhlangothi. Uyazi kunesikhathi la sokuthi uwe embedeni obizayo